All right, so here you see my food wrap, food storage items. I buy based on the size. So in many cases, my wrap is going to be either 90 meters, 50 feet. Like these are going to be the similar sizes that I'm going to buy for this drawer. So I keep within a certain size so that everything fits in here neatly. I've even tucked my lighter in the corner here, the barbecue lighter, because we do barbecue often. So it's conveniently in the side, utilizing that space there. And talk about a container within a container. So this container holds everything in place, and then I've gotten smaller containers to divide other types of items. So I have a home in this one here, so you'll see. That's what that looks like. And then a smaller container for elastics. Elastics need a home too. They just don't get randomly placed in any drawer. They have an area where they need to go. So does the chip clips, as well as the smaller storage bags. These are reusable ones. So when they're not in use, they get tucked right here. And my timer, I use that on occasion as well too. So containers can act like dividers as well.